The community of August Town remains tense this evening following a double murder in Peyton Place Hermitage this morning. The police have since increased their presence in the area, but at least one family remains fearful despite leaving the community. Anthony Lugg reports.
A family walks towards a police vehicle with a packed bag, hours after a double killing in the August Town community Wednesday morning.
Afraid. I not even want to see night.
Reports are that shortly after 7 Wednesday morning, gunmen carrying high-powered rifles entered this yard in Peyton Place Hermitage and sprayed bullets, killing two brothers, 36-year-old Demar Francis and 25-year-old Robert Clark. This woman, who has fled the community, says she remains fearful because of what she has heard.
They say me preach too much. They say everything out of my mouth happening. They're gonna kill me. Hallelujah.
They threaten you to kill you?
They threaten me.
They who?
They don't. I don't have to call name. We get the messages, so they're gonna kill us. God, them say me say too much. But I cannot stop say because it's a gift from God. I don't know why people cannot live loving. What happened to Jamaica?
In recent weeks, the police have been trying to quell the gang feud in August Town. Several persons, including children, have been shot in the attacks. There has been an increased security presence. Member of Parliament for St. Andrew Eastern Favour Williams visited the community today.
There is a need for some serious intervention, sustained intervention, to break this cycle. They want lasting peace. But when you have as many gangs as you have operating who intimidate people, and they have high-powered weapons, I've seen pictures, then people are going to be reticent.
So, as the investigations into what led to Wednesday's killing continues, this plea.
They have to stop the crime. Put down the weapon. Take up the Bible in them hand. Remember they have sister. Remember they have mother. Remember they have father, and they say they have child too.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.